Hey guys, it's Marcus here from blogprofitnetwork.com, and in this little video what I'm going to do is I'm going to explain to you the AdSense Flipper method and show you how to use the Monetize or Smart Affiliate Ads plugin to actually accomplish the task of taking very inexpensive keywords and leading them to expensive AdSense, expensive affiliate programs, and different things like that. So what we're going to do first and foremost is we start with a keyword. And let's say you wanted to start with something like blog or blogging or set up a blog or something like that, right? And if we were to go for something like blogging, or anything of that nature, maybe affiliate marketing, or if you're in health, you could go for like health tips or energy tips or something like that. All right, so our goal is to find a broad keyword that has very little competition. Okay, so like blogging, we have little competition here. Create a blog, that one's a little bit higher. We have blogging sites. So let's go with blogging. Now the generic term of blogging, our job is to go to Google and take a look at it, and our job is to anticipate what they're going to want, right? So we see here blogging has very little competition, and we say, okay, well, what are the things people would need related to blogging? Okay, so let's assume that we're going to teach people how to blog and what is a blog, and we set up a very basic site with very basic information on blogging. Okay, now what we do is we say, okay, well, in order to blog, you need hosting, right? So web hosting is a big one that people would need, okay? And we hit search, and now we got like $18 clicks, right? Right, like that. Cool. So now the question is how do we take them from something like the blogging to web hosting, right? How do we flip them into that? Because if I was just to put AdSense on my site about blogging, it's just going to trigger ads about blogging, and I'm going to get pennies and not make anything at all. All right, but if I'm doing it the way that I'm going to show you using the Monetizer plugin, which is smartaffiliateads.com, I'm going to show you how that works. So let's say, for example, we have a site like Blog Profit Network that's all about blogging, right? So this example actually works pretty good. Now this site is all about blogging, and we say, okay, here's how to set up a pay-per-click campaign. Here's how to do all this stuff, right? And we're creating tons and tons of content. As you can see, I got lots and lots of content on this blog, and you could see it's all basic content. Now, with this content all about the topic of making money in blogging, there is in it a loaded ton of words related to the high per click stuff here. I don't know why I can't speak today, but bear with me. All right, so like hosting is something they would need. SEO ranking services is something that people need. Keyword services, pay-per-click account management. So professional SEO services is like $14 a click. Another one would be something like PPC account. Oh, let's see here. All right, little glitch there. You can see I have paid Google quite a bit over the years. But basically, the keyword ideas for PPC management or pay-per-click account management, you can see are like $24, $16, whatever. And what we want to do is we want to anticipate that these are the things people need. Another thing they might need is list management, right? Managing a mailing list, stuff like this. Or perhaps, WordPress design. Okay, WordPress design. Now the key is to make a hub of very simple sites. Okay, so your hub starts with your big content site. Okay, this would be the example of Blog Profit Network. It gets a bunch of traffic. It's my hub. Okay, now here we have different ads related to the products I offer, but I'm going to show you how to do this with AdSense. So using the Monetizer plugin at smartaffiliateads.com, all we need to do is log into our WordPress, go to our dashboard, and then scroll down to the Monetize My Blog plugin. We hit Manage, okay, and what this allows us to do is create those ads that you saw. But instead of linking them to products and different things like that, I'm actually going to link them to my AdSense-based sites for like instant web hosting, SEO ranking tips, and all the stuff that pays me a lot for the ads, right? Because obviously how to build a blog is a cheap click, but instant web hosting or web hosting is an expensive click. Same with SEO, right? These clicks go for a lot of money, so I'm going to make a lot more. So what we want to do is we want to take people from our site who are learning about blogging and everything like that and get them to click on things that are, one, going to get them to go to the site, right? So we want our ad to be something juicy that's going to draw them over to the site, and we want it relevant. Okay, so we don't want to be like, click here to win a prize or something stupid like that. We actually want to go in and say, here's how I set up a blog instantly, or something like that. Okay, now the cool thing about this plugin is it actually allows you to monitor what's going on, see which sites are making the most, and actually be able to see what people are most interested in a really easy way. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and create a new group, and we're going to call this group AdSense Flipper. Okay, and you could do this with anything. You could do this with like, how to save money or ways to save money or something like that. And we'll get into that in a little bit. But for right now, let's go ahead and do AdSense Flipper. I'm going to choose video ads since this is a video-oriented site. Now for the random ads, I'm going to go ahead and show these ads random within group. That means that in this group, my ads are going to rotate randomly. That way I get a good feel, a fair feel for what people are interested in. Okay, now since I have my home page set up with widget control so I could get a mailing list, widget control is a plugin you can get. What I'm going to do is I'm going to say no home page. I'm not going to show the ads in home page. I'm not going to show it in pages, but yes, I am going to show it in posts. Now the cool thing about this plugin is you could actually use a certain post or a page, and like let's say post number 3 we want to show it on, right? Then it'll only show it on 3, or maybe 3, 10, 11, and 17 or whatever, right? But for now what we're going to do is we're going to show it on all posts. Okay, and these are our settings. So we show it in post, we'll hit submit, and what it's going to do is create this new group called AdSense Flipper. Okay, and then it shows you a little overview of what's happening. Now what we want to do is go to manage ads. Okay, and this is where we create our ads. You can see the impressions, clicks, and the click-through rate. So it's actually going to track everything at the level of the ad and the level of what people are interested in. So you're going to learn about your market and make money, which are the two biggest things that you need to do. Okay, so let's go ahead and create a new ad. And we're going to create this one for instantwebhosting.org. Okay, and this is one we want people to go to sign up for hosting and click the ads so that we make money. Okay, so we're going to say, set up your, let's move this so you can see, blog instantly. Okay, we're going to go ahead and put the URL in there, instantwebhosting.org, and we're going to put display URL no, and see how it's showing us a little idea of what's going on. So you could say yes or no or whatever you want, right? Really easy to do like this. Okay, and then we'll say learn how, let's get this out of the way so you can see, how to set up your WordPress blog instantly with this web hosting tutorial. Okay, ... Okay, so there we go. And it'll show a video. Now what we want to do is select an image. Alright, we could just select an image from our computer or from the web or whatever we want. Okay, I'm going to go into pictures and we'll find something that looks like web hosty. Alright, if that's even a word, I don't know. This guy looks like he's setting up a blog, so we use him. Okay, so right there, it'll look like that. We'll go ahead and hit center, okay, insert into post. Alright, so now that's what it's going to look like. That's pretty cool, right? It's like set up your blog instantly, instant web hosting, submit. Okay. Next, we set up another one. Okay, we'll create a new ad. And this one we'll do for SEOrankingtips.org. Okay, so we want to get them here. And we want to do rank, or let's do get fast search engine rankings. Right, these are all things that our market would want anyway. So we're just giving it to them and we are getting paid in the process. Okay, learn how to get instant, or let's do get fast search engine rankings for free traffic using, let's get rid of the comma, using my SEO ranking tips, dot, dot, dot. Upload ad image, and we'll go ahead and select something that looks like search engine rankings or whatever. Okay, let's see here. Something that looks good. Let's see. Let's do this guy. I don't know why, but he generates clicks for me. Right? He's kind of interesting. We'll go ahead and insert this into post. And there we go. Get fast search engine ranking tips, SEOrankingtips.org. We could do yes or no on the URL, and you could always change it later. Okay, so now we got set up your blog instantly, get fast search engine rankings. Now we could do something like, let's say we have a site about AdSense. Learn Marcus's AdSense secrets. Or let's do make money with AdSense. Okay, and we'll do http www.marketflipper.com. Okay, and this isn't an AdSense site, but we can make one later. I'm just showing you an example. Okay, and we'll do, let's see, learn, gotta get these little things out of the way, learn how to profit online by flipping cheap or even free traffic to high paying AdSense words, dot, dot, dot. Okay, there we go. Upload ad image, and we'll do something like a little money bags or something like that. I think we had a money bag in here somewhere. Let's see, where did that money go? I think he might have been up top. Up there he is. Okay, we'll just get this money. Alright, we'll go ahead and insert into post. And we will go ahead and submit. Okay, so now we have 3 ads. Now what happens is we just go to our plugin or our appearance and then widgets. Okay, and what we're going to do is we're going to take monetize. We're going to make sure our monetized widgets are in fact here. Okay, we hit save, and now what happens is on all of our posts, we now have these links, right? Set up your blog instantly, and I put ublog, so we'll have to change that. Set up your blog instantly, make money with AdSense, and what happens is all of them actually go to the site where we're getting paid big for web hosting clicks and everything like that. But we want to make sure we get information. Now, there's 2 things I want to do before we close off the video, and 1 is get rid of this, and 2 is change this. Okay, so the way that we do that is we go into our dashboard again, okay, and we go into our monetize and manage. Okay, and in manage you're going to see configuration and settings. Okay, and what we're going to do is we're going to make the title bold, and we're going to make it blue. Okay, so if you want to learn how to do this blue stuff, all you got to do is go to hex color codes. Okay, and it'll show you the colors right like this. Okay, and we can go, alright, so let's do blue. We got blue here, and we'll just copy this code. Alright, like that. Put that in here. Okay, there's our code. Okay, URL styling, we can do the same thing. Description, and we'll underline our title. I always like to do that. Underline our URL, and underline our, or we'll just make our text regular. Okay, shortcode settings, template settings. Okay, we're going to take most watch videos off, and we're going to go ahead and save this. Okay, now what happens is it's going to look a lot nicer, and the ads are just right here. Okay, so make money with AdSense, set up your blog instantly, fast search engine rankings, and things like that. Very, very, very easy to do. Okay, and you can even remove the title if you want to get rid of the monetize my blog. So there we go. Right, so now they got this stuff which is relevant to what they want, and they're able to click it and go to my sites and actually get paid when people click on the ads, right? So it's a really cool way. And imagine if you were to have something like, let's say you had ways to make money. Okay, so you're bidding on the word ways to make money. All right, and you hit get ideas, and you can see, or let's do ways to save money. I'm sorry, it's almost 12 o'clock midnight here. And I'm actually kind of tired because I was up late last night. But at any rate, we digress and we go into what happens, right? So we got ways to save money. All right, and we go ways to save money, low competition. Okay, so if we go to Google, we can see google.com, ways to save money. And we got very little competition up here. Let's take a look at MSN. Okay, see if there's much competition there. All right, and we have one guy, Amazon, Better Money Habits. Okay, not too much, right? Not a lot of competition at all. We could probably get this traffic for 10 cents a click or less. There's our blanket bidder, different things like that. And if you want to learn more about this stuff, be sure to check out my site at smartaffiliateads.com, and we'll teach you that when you get this plugin. Okay, so we got all that. So it's very inexpensive to get this traffic, probably 10 cents or less. But let's say, okay, what are ways to save money? One of the ways is refinance your house. Okay, so now we take a click that we can get for 10 cents, even though Google says it's a lot, and we turn it into a click that's 45 bucks, right? 45, 42, 35, 19. So very expensive. Okay, that's one way to save money. Another one is to get a low rate credit card. Okay, transfer your balance on your credit card. That's a way to save money. Okay, here's some expensive clicks here. Okay, another way to save money is, let's say, what else would we do? Let's just do lower car payment. Okay, so what you're doing is you're giving people advice that they want anyway, which is on saving money, and you're just showing them how to do it and leading them to sites that pay you a lot of money. This is the AdSense Flipper model, which if you want to use this, you can either go to marketflipper.com and get my AdSense Flipper product, or go ahead and get yourself the Smart Affiliate Ads plugin at smartaffiliateads.com, and I'll throw in that tool for free, which is a set of videos that shows you exactly how to do this flipper method. So go ahead, hop over to smartaffiliateads.com, get your copy of this plugin, use it. This stuff works. It's very easy to use. You can make lots of money with it. I do every day, and I want you to too. So you too, right? So go to smartaffiliateads.com, get the plugin, and I'll see you in the next video.